2016 Mercedes GL Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, climate control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.